Hey guys, welcome back to 24 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a fairly easy and quick floral manicure. First up, I'm going to show you step by step of how I did like one of the nails, and then I'm going to kind of just speed through the rest so you guys get an idea of all the nails, but we don't have to take forever to describe it. So first up, I'm doing what I consider is like my main accent nail, and this one is mainly like a florally vine. So here I'm going in with a green acrylic paint, and I'm just sketching in the vines, I guess you could say, with the leaves. And this is the first green that I'm going to use. I am going to use two different greens to kind of just change up the colors, but this is just like the traditional like Christmas tree green that you would get in the acrylic paint section. And I am using the Mitty brush in, it is called Candy 00. Forgot there for a second, but I have it still on my desk. And here I'm just sketching the leaves. Next up, I'm going in with kind of a mossy green that kind of pulls a little yellow, and just detailing the leaves and giving a little bit more depth to the design. And some of the other nails you're going to see, I actually go in with a darker green as well to kind of change it up. Now I'm just going in with the pink to create a pink flower, and then I'm going to put little like pink blossoms on the vine, the leaves, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm adding in a darker pink to give the flower some texture and some depth as well, and I'm going to do that for the big flower as well, and kind of just go around and make a petal-y like motion to give it like a flower look. And now we're going to speed it up a bit so you guys can see the rest of the design come together. As you can see, I've done stripes on some of the nails. And again, I did all of the details with acrylic paint. I used China Glaze's Glamletics from the spring collection as my base color, which is really nice. It has a shimmer in it, but you can't really tell on the nail. But it makes for a great periwinkly base, and I thought it looked really great with this design. And this design was actually inspired and in collaboration with one of my best internet friends, Two Nails and Beyond. If you haven't heard of her, you need to check her out now. I will have her linked in the description box below. But that is it, and here's a look at the final manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this manicure come to life. Not really to life, but you know what I mean. And hopefully you enjoyed this style of video where I kind of sped up through the last part of the design. Let me know in the comments and everything below. And if you have any requests for upcoming videos, let me know that too. Again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. And I think that's it. Bye!